Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Kershaw 3/4 of a ton here with me for a review, and as usual we're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this guy. But first of all, let's just do a quick size comparison up against another couple Kershaw. We have the Asteroid right over here. We have the Amplitude right over here. As you can see, this is a pretty small guy because the Amplitude is already pretty small and this is even smaller. Also another couple budget options. This is the Boker Ellipse right over here, and also like in the smaller department we got the Spyderco Para 3, the Spyderco Tenacious right over there, and let's do what else? Let's do this guy. This is the Boker Romeo Kilo. So there you have it. So this is the Kershaw 3/4 of a ton, which is odd name, I have to say, and overall it's an okay knife. Overall size is 6.2 inches. Handle size is 3.875. The handles are made out of GFN, which is glass fiber mixed with nylon, so it's like a hard plastic kind of thing. It's just like a stamp, so there's no jimping going on. You can still see right over here. It's not nicely done, guys. It's a budget knife, so it's overall I think $20, so we can't really be picky in this case, because it's this one is a liner lock and it has full liner, so that's already good. There's some sort of skeletonization over here. They reduced a little bit of weight, nothing going on the scale right over here, and it's it's an overall not attractive knife. I mean, you're not gonna buy this because it's looking good. You're gonna buy this because it's kind of cheap, it's pocketable, it's pretty small, and it's pretty light in the pocket. Not because of the steel properties or the attractiveness of the look. Let's be honest here. This is a liner lock, stainless steel liners. You have this design, which is not nice in my opinion. It's okay. I mean, it's not ugly, but it's not wow. You have a drilled hole for the lanyard hole right over here. Two pretty cheap standoffs going on. 2 screws, 1 screw right over here, which is keyed in by the pretty interesting looking pocket clip with a wrench over here. So you see you have a wrench, like a key, like a Allen, no, sorry, like a screw. So you have a wrench clip going on over here, so you can unscrew this guy and just use this as a wrench. So very, very interesting choice right over here. Pivot, yeah, it's keyed in, so 1, 2, 3, and boom, you're done. Pretty straightforward disassembly for this guy, which I appreciate that. Kind of like almost flat, flush, screws with the handles. The clip has very, very strong tension, guys. You're not gonna be able to lift this one. It's gonna be pretty tough to slide this in and out of your pocket, so good luck with that. But what you want? I mean, you didn't pay much for this one, so you can't really complain that much. The steel on this guy is a HCR 13 MOV, so it's okay. I mean, it's made in China. There's some hollow grind going on. You've got a little bit of swedge right over here. Thumb studs both sides, so you're gonna be able to do like this and do maybe not really like a spidey flick, yes, like that, but mostly you're gonna be doing the thumb flick. So this blade is very, very tall. It's kind of thick behind the edge. You have 50% belly and straight up to the mini sharpening choil, but it's there. So that's a good thing. Already the blade came a little bit scratched right over there. So not like amazing. You see there's some trails already right out of the box. So the quality check is Also, you have pretty decent stock thickness right over here, so this is going to be a decent slicer. Sorry. The sound this guy makes, it's this. It's nice when you open it, and it's pretty anonymous when you close it, but very quiet. So when you open this guy, it's like that. So it's actually I appreciate this sound. Not too bad. The weight on this guy is going to be 3.4 ounces. When you squeeze this guy, there's no hot spots, so it has a pretty good grip, even if the handle is very small. This is going to be great, like to shred the cardboard, to open boxes. It's going to be pretty good. The grip is okay. Not really much of an option for a reverse grip, because look at this, it just like, it doesn't fit like even 3 fingers in my hand, so no. In the hand, overall, this guy, you see, it doesn't really feel like solid or anything. It's a little bit iffy. You have some flex to it. It's not well built in any ways. You can see some gaps. You can see some residue from the stamp. So it's not really well put together, in my opinion. The clip is really, really strong, guys. You really will be struggling with this clip right over here. Deployment speed is the only thing I like probably about this one, because it's fun and easy to deploy. It goes pretty fast. It's running on Teflon washers. You're not gonna really have much finger sore, because these thumb studs are decently designed. Even if they're ugly, let's be honest, they are absolutely functional to deploy the blade efficiently. So very, very nice touch. Blade is off center like this, so yeah, it's not ideal, but it's the nature of the beast. No rattling when this is shaken when closed. You can't touch the tip of the blade, which is good. The lock bar, it's pretty easy to access. There's no jimping. I would have appreciated a little bit more of that, but yeah, it's protruding. There's some cut, some indentation right over here, so you can decently remove the disengage the lock bar and just close the knife. No detent ball ramp, pretty strong hard step going on over here. When you disengage the lock bar, there's no free fall, no guillotine effect, nothing going on, because it's running on washers, basically, Teflon. So overall, I mean, the look of this knife, it's okay. The sound it makes, it's nice when you open it. It's not so much when you close it. The grip is decent. No really hot spots going on over here. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.